We're back. I got the tool. Look at that. Should be able to pop off that retaining nut now and put on a new one-way bearing. I think that's all the parts I need. And there's a gasket up front too. So I'm gonna swap out that bearing, put it back together, throw some oil in it, and see what happens. I have no idea if this is reverse thread or not. Yeah, it was reverse threaded. I had a feeling maybe the nut and a washer. Oh, pieces are falling off of it. That's probably not ideal. Oh yeah, that thing is tore up. All the little teeth are falling out of it. Yeah, that's broke. That little cage. There's the problem. I like when it's definitive like that, you know? Let go. There we go, there it is. Even with the new needle cage bearing and everything, so we'll put the nut back on and torque it back down. Got her all cleaned up, front and back. Ooh, pretty. New gasket is on, held on by the two dowels. I'm hoping just to slide this back into place. That's what I'm hoping. Without the bolts falling out and falling on the ground would be best. Something like that. Get the rest of the bolts in there. Yep, this little wire goes behind the crank sensor. I thought maybe, there we go. Got him behind there now. And then this guy can go in and hold the black section down. Yeah, there it is. It's been so long since I had it apart, I started to forget how it went back together. And the last couple bolts to hold in the stator. Rotor time. Watch my fingers. There we go. 15. And our cooling fan. Well, that should be a part together enough to make it run. Let me put some oil in there though. Oil is full. I replaced the old nasty vacuum lines. It was all dry rotted. I assume they're vacuum lines. I don't know what it is. Two come off the carb, they meet in a T, and then they go up to a fuel pressure regulator maybe? I don't know what it is. I'm a big carburetor guy. All I know is if you can see in a hose, it's bad to replace it. So we have new hoses on there. I think everything's in order for a start. It's cranking, that's a good sign. I don't see a choke. Oh, the spark plug's not plugged in. Let's try with a spark plug. See what that does. I have to dig into this a little deeper. It's got fuel coming down through the filter. It's got compression. It's turning over. I would think it's ready to start. Compression start, sparking fuel. He did say it was cold-blooded, so. Warm-blooded? The one where it doesn't want to start if it's cold. This is automatic or something. Let's give it another whirl. I don't want to flood it. Nothing. How about the spark plug? See what's going on in there. I may have flooded it when I was cranking it with no spark. It is wet. It is wet. Maybe I'll let it sit for a little bit and air out for just a minute before we try that again. It's been a few minutes. Let's give her another try. Put the shields back on, mud flap, so it's all put back together. And I checked for spark. Held the spark plug against the bolt, and it did have spark. So fuel's getting in there, air's getting in there, spark's getting in there. This thing should start. Oh. Hey, that was something. What was that? Nice little thing right there. Hey! Hey! Oh, that sounds good! Oh my gosh, that's running perfect! No way! Carburetor's not 100%. But it's got forward reverse on it. I didn't check the brakes. Check the brakes. Well, I'm just beside myself. I don't know what to do with it next. It's so cold outside, but I kind of want to go out and rip it. Uncover the next problem, you know. Wow, that starts good. It started when I let go of the key. I wonder if there's a problem with the wiring, or maybe it's designed that way. It won't run while you have the key on or something. As soon as I let go, it was running. And the one right before it, as soon as I let go, it puttered. Let's try to start it one more time. I'm just going to touch the starter. Yeah. So it won't start while you're holding the key. That's interesting. That is interesting. I wonder if that's on purpose. I don't think the wiring has been modified, so I would think it's on purpose. Or the key switch is bad. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. But hey, it runs. I don't know what I'm going to do. Stand by. Okay, brakes work. Headlights work. I don't know what happened to my outro on that last one. The video seems to be missing, but I did move it back and forth and the brakes work. It seems to be ready to go. It's out in the barn now, but we're gonna test drive it on the next video. So I'll see you back here for that one. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every viewer and every subscriber, especially you members. You guys are amazing, and we really appreciate the support. As long as you're here, leave us a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything, but really helps us out a lot. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. I reply to every comment I get. But in the meantime, thanks again for watching, and I hope I'll see you here for another video on 3-Day Weekend.